Hello beautiful peeps of YouTube and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and you're watching My So-Called Lifestyle. And on this channel I love to share teaching and lifestyle content with all of you with some cleaning and planning thrown in. So I want to thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, you don't know, I am a veteran teacher currently on a med leave, and I love sharing kind of my everyday bits and bobs with all of you guys as I wait for my next teaching assignment. Also, I started my new teaching consultant business and the link for that is down below. So if you're a teacher and you're currently watching this right now and you're feeling overwhelmed, stuck, frustrated, need some support, even a shoulder just to talk to or cry on, I'm your girl and I'm here for you guys. In this video, I want to share with you a new planner that I have been using and loving for the last, I would say, 6 weeks or so. And it is a planner, just a regular planner. There's no real name to it, but I stumbled upon this at Staples, and I will leave the links down below so you can find this planner if you like it. But it's kind of in the vein of a travel planner. And so what I have is, what I'm going to show you is the planner itself and then the coordinating books that it can come with. Now I went and got all of them because I use it for different things, but I want to show and share with you kind of the bulk of my planner. So let's open up and take a look. So this planner is fantastic. It's very inexpensive, and it comes in various parts, so you can build and add with it depending on your needs. It's a little string thingy that kind of fits around with it, and I use that to open it up. And here is the planner. So I don't have any cards or anything on the side here. I do have one of these create stickers that I don't know where I want to put it yet, but I just kind of keep that in there. And I got this from, I believe, I will put the name on the screen because it escapes me right now, but that's where I got that from, and I love it. I also got a sweater, and Kim from Elementary in the Mitten kind of got me hooked on that site, so thank you, Kim. But in this planner I have a weekly booklet and a monthly booklet right now. Again, it's kind of like a traveler's notebook, so it has little strings, and you just add the books to the strings like that, and it kind of holds it in. So for instance, this is a daily planner, and I just take it and I can add it in to the string like that. It hooks on like that, and then I have another booklet. If I wanted a fourth one, there's a fourth one here that I can add as well. So I don't use the daily one right now just because I'm not really busy, because I'm currently off work right now. This one here, I just use my weekly sheets and my monthly. And so when I open it up to my weekly, I just plan, and it's great. It is great. I use my highlighting method, and I'll get into that in another video, but I just wanted to show you kind of how I have it organized here. And I keep the month at the top, and then the month, and then when the week starts, when the week ends, and on this sheet as well, I do the same thing, and then, again, and so on. So I love this planner. It's great for my needs right now. And again, as my needs change, I can add more books to it. So that's how I organize my weekly sheets. And then I have a monthly sheet. But now, for the month of October, I do have everything just kind of laid out here. So November, I did that as well. And I don't have much yet, but I do have some dates filled in, and it's been great. It's been fabulous. I love having two separate sections for weekly and monthly. It's just made things so much easier. And so in terms of the cost, these books were about $5 each at Staples, and I got these two here. The planner, covering, like outer covering, was about $5 as well from Staples. And then additionally, I want to put this aside here. Additionally, I got some more booklets. Again, my life has kind of changed right now in terms of I'm not teaching, but I did want to be prepared when my life goes back to working, when I go back to work. So right now I got a daily sheets that I'm, again, not using right now, but it will come in handy when my life gets busy. So there's that one. And then I got a meal planning one that I haven't used just yet. I just recently got this one, but this one's great because you can keep track of your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'm currently on a weight loss program, and not program, but I'm on a weight loss journey, I should say. And so this is going to be great for keeping track of my produce, my meats, and anything that I eat in an effort to control my blood sugars and keep my blood pressure in check. So this is great. Then the expenses, I love budgets and budgeting and all that good stuff. So this will help me to keep track of my budgets. And again, then finally, I have one for notes, and this just has lined paper. So I have all of these plus the ones I have it here. And again, I can switch it up as I need to, depending on where I'm going, what I'm doing, what I need it for. And it's so versatile. It makes life so much easier. So I'm still waiting for my Happy Planner farmhouse, which is coming in the mail soon. Oh my gosh. But in the meantime, using this system and loving it has been so helpful for all my planning needs. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be a part of the so-called fam. And don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it, and also turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss another video from me. So until next time, my friends, take care, be well, and be blessed, and happy planning. Bye-bye.